Hi! Ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of constituency. A body of voters in a specified area who elect a representative to a legislative body. For example, the politician who wishes to remain in the good graces of his constituency. American pronunciation. Constituency. Constituency. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Constituency. Say. Constituency. Constituency means group of voters in specified area who elect representative. Constituency. Constituency. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. Voters in marginal constituencies want their channels. Now, repeat after me. Voters in marginal constituencies want their channels. The second practice. On our behalf, they spoke to 400 voters across the constituency. Now, repeat after me. On our behalf, they spoke to 400 voters across the constituency.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.